Welcome back to Not So Grand Garage. Today I'm out of the shop, out here in the drive, and if you're anything like me, you've got projects sitting everywhere, stuff you're working on, other projects, more projects, daily drivers, stuff just everywhere, and sometimes they sit for a length of time, and yeah, tires don't always hold air and everything else. Well, if you're like me, I don't like dragging an air compressor around to out behind the shop or out behind the house or all over the driveway just to air tires up to move something. So yeah, that's where these little portable air compressors really shine. So yeah, we're going to check out this new one from Etenwolf. It is the Zephyr It is the Zephyr S3. It's a smaller model than the first one I showed you guys. And by the way, I have beaten the snot out of that one. Love it. It works great. I've pulled tires up from flat that it shouldn't. I've got a valve stem leaking on the flatbed, so it airs up those 37s, 20, 30 PSI, half a charge. Takes a few minutes, but it gets the job done. It's surprising what it'll do. So we're going to torture test this one today because the Jeep has a flat tire on the front left, as you can see, and I need to move it so I can get the weeds trimmed, and I got some work to do to it. So let's see if this little thing can pull it off. Now, for starters, oh, hey, this has been sitting here for a bit. Wasps have made a home. But for starters, this thing is not designed for what I'm getting ready to do to it. I don't know if it'll pull it off, but it is fully charged. And yeah, all we got to do is get 25-ish pounds of air in it. Heck, I could probably do a lot less, but I'm going to push it to 25, see how long it takes. And yeah, if it does it on one charge, I'll be impressed. This thing's significantly smaller than the other unit is. It's got a smaller battery in it, but these do serve as a battery pack as well. So you can charge your phones and stuff like that off of them in an emergency or what have you. They got lights built into them, work lights. But yeah, let's hook it up and see if it can pull it off. Another thing I like about these, the hose on them is nice and long, and it's got a screw-on end on it, which just makes life easier. We're hooked up. We're sitting at 2.9 PSI. So we're going to change our mode here. 22 PSI is plenty. We'll fire it up and see how it does. Probably going to take a while. We're looking at 7 minutes to get it up from 0, essentially, to 20 PSI. And I did make a little mistake because it was starting to slow down. I had it on the bicycle setting, so I'm going to adjust that up. And we're going to see how long it takes to run it from 20 to, say, 35. Yeah, but so far, it's still sitting on a full charge. It's cool to the touch, and ran for 7 solid minutes, pulling this 33-1250 up from nothing to 20 PSI. We'll go on and push it up to 35 and see how it does. Reset the timer. Set this for an auto tire, 35 PSI. And fun. We'll see how it does. .35 psi. It shut off on its own with 1 bar left. Barely warm. The hose is pretty warm, but that's to be expected. But yeah, brought it up from 2 psi to 35 psi on a single charge. Took a total of about 14 minutes, which may seem like a long time, but I want to do a little comparison here. Look at the size of this thing. This is not a big unit at all. Super compact, relatively quiet, auto off. So yeah, if I'm out here doing stuff, I can throw this on a vehicle, set the pressure, turn it on, walk off, and 10 minutes later when I get around to coming back over here, the tire's inflated to what it needs to be. I can pull this off, throw it in the front seat, and I'm on my way doing what I need to do. This, it will be perfect for stuff like this, or for emergencies, which is what it's intended for. You got a flat tire, you plug a tire on the side of the road or in a parking lot, something like that, pull this out, it'll get you back on the road pretty quick. I typically will not do content on things I don't think are very good. Even when people send me stuff, like I said, these guys have sent me several things over the last year and a half, and everything they've sent me has been top-notch. I've been pretty impressed with it. This, again, is solid little unit for what it is. It's got the hose containment, got the adapters on the back, everything's built in, charges on USB-C. Real simple, real slick little setup, so definitely check them out. I will put links in the video description for it, so check those out. If you got any comments, questions, complaints, drop them in the comment section below. If you would, hit that thumbs up button. Helps us out quite a bit, doesn't cost you anything. If you haven't already, please subscribe. We appreciate you watching.